Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple error message generator. The main point of this is to teach about combo box indexes, which is useful if you're looking to add options to your applications. It's going to look like this, exactly like this. It's going to be pretty simple. That's about it. You can also add a hide function to this. I'm not going to do that right now. It's pretty easy. Just put form1.hide or whatever your form name is. So let's get started here. And ignore that flashing idiot down at the bottom who wants to talk to me. Alright, so first we're just going to start a new form application, the basic application. We're going to set the border to fixed single. This will keep people from resizing it and complaining that can be resized. Just fixed single, stabilize that. So yeah, you have a little X there. Alright, first you're gonna add a label. Just gonna type simply message caption. Please ignore my bad spelling on this. I'm trying to do it quickly to make it under YouTube's stupid 10-minute limit. As I always complain about in every one of my videos, pretty much, either that or in comments. So now we are going to add a simple text box. You can name this whatever you want. I always leave it the same, which is probably why I get confused whenever I'm making applications. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Text box 1, that's actually going to be the one that's least important. Text box 2 is going to handle all the good stuff. And we're just going to put message text. So there it is. Add our text box. Text box 2 is what this is. Simple enough. Now you are going to add one more label. You're going to throw it down here. This label is going to say message icon. This is the icon that will show up and play the sound. If you have sounds disabled, it will still display the icon. So we are going to now, not another text box, I always make that mistake. We're going to add a combo box. Combo box is not the same as a list box, so do not mess that up, otherwise you are not going to have this work right. Drop a button in, very, very simple. Button is going to handle everything. This is going to be what does it. Put generate or some other thing, or generate and hide, depending on if you're hiding. Oh, I forgot to set one setting. Type in here none, because we're going to use this as an index object instead of saying pick an icon, because that could throw in runtime exception, and we do not want that to happen. You're just going to hit a collection. Now I have my items here. This is the way I have them set up. Exclude none from the menu. Just use critical information and exclamation. It shows the index numbers right next to them. You do not need those. I just put them there for the reference of the video. Keeps me organized instead of having to go back and forth between the items. So there you are. You have your list here. None is going to be a -1 index. Very, very simple. Now, we're going to use if, then statements, which are some of the easiest statements you could ever use in Visual Basic. So we're going to put if, okay, I seem to be freezing up here. Oh, what happened here? Okay, so we're halfway in the middle there. If combo box 1 dot selected index equals -1, then message box text box 2 dot text. That's the body text, as you can clearly see here. That is the prompt, the text, the main thing that will show up. Put a comma. It will ask you what you want to do. What kind of thing you want, the message icon. We're just going to skip that, put another comma, and then text box 1 dot text. This will ensure that your thing actually works. Now, we're going to do again. If combo box 1 dot selected index equals 0. As you can clearly see, 0 is critical. Same as we did before. Text box 2 dot text. Only this time we're going to click message box dot critical. We're just going to add text box 1 dot text. We're good to go for that one. All good there. If combo box, sorry, one dot selected index equals 1, then now if we're going to look back on our list here, it's going to be information. Text box 2.text, the caption, or the main prompt. Information. Text box 1.text, that would be the caption. Caption always comes last. If combo box 1.selected index equals 2, then message box. Let's see what we're calling. I keep forgetting question. It's going to be question. Message box, text box 2.text. We're just going to have to scroll down here all the way till you see question. Text box 1.text. Okay, last one from what I believe. Let me make sure here. That would be exclamation. If combo box 1.selected index equals 3, then message box text box 2.text exclamation and text box 1.text. Okay, this does it. Now, it would be a good idea to comment your code to tell you what is going to happen, what style it's going to be, even though it's clearly visible here. I never really comment my code because I don't make anything open source. And there it is. We're just going to change the caption here. Error message generator. You know what I said about the beginning whenever I said we're not going to hide it? We're just going to add a simple form one. We're just going to me.hide. After every one, me.hide. You might want to consider getting an icon for putting a control taskbar object. This will keep your thing so you can double click on it, bring it back up again. Otherwise, you're going to have to end the task in the process. Alright, there you are. So let's make sure we're bug free here, because I'm not going to release this and have people complain. Alright, message caption, error. You have received a virus. Something simple, generic, easy. Well, you actually need to put this before the message, but otherwise you get the general idea. So I'm just going to have to control delete it out of here. Alright. Oh, no, that would not be to do.